Ethics and human interfere in sense determination and concepts of the ethics in human action dimension of the ethics and ethics in private and public relationship. Discuss whether some and the restriction on the enjoyment of freedom are the necessary in the interest of the social harmony and justice. You are standard with the situation illustration 250 word. रेफरेंस में क्या है? एथिक्स इंटीग्रिटी एंड एप्टीट्यूड लेक्सिकन्स पब्लिकली. Why the question? The question is based on the restrictions of freedom and their importance for the prevalence and social harmony in the society. Key demand of the question की क्या है? Discuss whether some restrictions on the enjoyment of the freedoms and are necessary in the restrictions of which harmony justify situation illustration. Description क्या होगा? This is an all and the encompassive description. You have to debate on the papers and by going through the details and of the issues and concern करते by the examining each one of them, and you have to give reasons for both and for and against the argument. Structure of answer. Introduction. Started with the aspect of freedom and their boundaries and with aspect and to the social harmony in the society. Body क्या है? The answer body must have the following aspects covered. Introduction by the definitions and highlighting the importance of freedoms and discuss in the brief and why some the restrictions are necessary on the freedom and give point on why and thus restrictions should be the reasonable. Suggested example. Conclusion. Conclude with importance. Introduction. Freedom is generally absence. Freedom in generally absence of the restriction. However, illustrated freedom does not have also means that one can do and anything as he or she and wishes to do. There can be the reasonables and restriction in exciting one freedoms. Once freedom guided by law. In India में क्या होता है? जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं फॉर द सर्टेन फंडामेंटल राइट्स एंड एट द सेम टाइम इम्पोसेस एंड रीजनेबल रेस्ट्रिक्शंस ऑफ दैम. बॉडी. बॉडी. बॉडी क्या है? नीड फॉर द रेस्ट्रिक्शन एंड एंजॉयमेंट फ्रीडम्स एंड फॉर द सोशल हार्मोनी. Article 19 stated that the government may impose the reasonable restriction upon the freedom of the speeches and expressions in the following fact: sovereignty and integrity of India, the security of the state and freedom relations, the foreign state, public order, decency of the responsibility and relation and to the conduct of code, defamation, incitement and to an official. Sometime liberally and greater goods or public and such as the bounded labors. जो freedoms रहती हैं and to the discriminated and exploited करता है creation and works in the society के द्वारा and hence जो liberty should be the subordinated in such conditions. Freedom to enjoy and does not the means and one must employs a child and to do the tedious labor as that and would means and robbing. The freedom of the child and for the education and healthy development and such the restriction are the absolutely necessary to bring a right and order in the society. इन सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी केस में क्या था कि जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट था जजमेंट था एंड हैड दैट द फ्रीडम्स एंड टू टॉक डज नॉट means and defaming or the character and the assassination, and hence it is the discrimination and defections, and as it was in the conflict with right to the reputation of others. जो freedoms थी if the absolute and would always be the detrimental and to and the smooth functionings of the society as the individual interested and of all the individual and would be the prioritized, and this would lead and to the weathering away and of the state and resulting in the anarchy. Conclusion: as the makers of the law and the executors of the law and the government should have the authorized authority to impose the restriction and upon the freedoms, and however and there the ought to have other balance between the freedoms and granted the and the restrictions imposed. This balance and dependent on the reasonableness of the restrictions, and the constitution protect and only those restrictions and that are the reasonables, and the courts and have led the principles and to the measures the reasonableness of either restrictions can ever be the justified on the moral ground, and support your answer and with the situation argument to 50 words. Reference: ethic, integrity, aptitude, and by the lexicon publication. Why the questions? Discuss if war and can ever the justified and on the moral ground. Key demand of the question की क्या थी? One is expected to the explain if other bar and ever be the justifies on the moral ground, and support your answer with the suitable argument. Explain. Clarified the topic and why, giving other detailed amount as to how and why it is the occurs or what is the particular context, and you must be the defining and key terms wherever appropriated and the substantiated and with the relevant associated fact structures of the answers. Start with the context of the question body. Introduction by the maintaining the concept and of the modern day and war and welfares and the cost of the war. War is and the armed and conflict between two or more state or the paramilitary groups, and such as the mercenaries and insurgent and the militias, and characterized and by the intense violence and loss of the life and properties, and several moral और जो philosophers रहते हैं have tried करते हैं to evaluate the morality of the wars and test and it on the parameters of the justiceness. Present the argument and giving and to the justify a bar on the moral ground, and highlight the aspect and of a the just bar. A just bar and maybe the permissible रहता है because it is the lesser evil के लिए, but it is the still as evil. It must be and the issues not only on the basis of its justifiability but also its cost. Human जो physical and economically रहती है, a bar even if just have to be a measures of last resort. A bar respectively रहता है of reasonings of or manners of conduct and must be the based only the after existing all other alternatives of disputes settlement. Conclusion. Conclude by giving other contracting and views and that the violence in any the forms and can never be the justifies on the moral ground. Introduction. The ethics of the war started by the assuming that war is other bad things and should be the avoided if possible, and but it the recognize and that there can be the situated and ban bar maybe the lasers evil of several bad choice. The purpose of the bar की रहती है जो ethics रहती is to be the help करते decided what is the right or wrong में and what for the individuals and countries and to contribute to debates on the public policy and ultimately to give to government and individual action. बार एथिक्स आल्सो लीड करती है टू द क्रिएशन ऑफ द फॉर्मल कोड्स को ऑफ वार के द हग एंड द जेनेवाज एंड कन्वेंशंस, द ड्राफ्टिंग एंड द इम्प्लीमेंटेशंस ऑफ द रूल्स ऑफ इंगेजमेंट फॉर द सोल्जर्स एंड द पब्लिशमेंट ऑफ सोल्जर्स एंड अदर फॉर द वार क्राइम्स.